Description: this double replacement foil and cutters set can be used interchangeably with any BaBylissPRO double foil shaver. Mix and match gold, rose gold or silver finishes according to your own unique style. Benefits: this replacement foil and cutters give you an extra close shave on the neck, face, and all around the hairline. Suggested use: when the foil and cutters on your FXFS2 shaver are dull, change it out with this replacement set. Top reviews from the United States. Game changer. I bought this after seeing it at Floyd's barbershop. It gets the best shave for sensitive skin. Basically, if you shave first down to stubble, this will get you perfect. It takes AA batteries. Close shave, great shaver. Went to barbershop and got a shave. They used this type shaver and I got a great shave, so ordered the shaver on Amazon. It works great, my favorite shaver.